Jiahua machine, JH-CNC-3200 automatic 4-axis CNC milling machine for aluminum profile, servo flippable. Equipped with servo positioning flipping system for versatile processing angles, high precision drilling and milling system for accurate results, automatic tool changer system that can accommodate 6 sets of drilling and milling tools for seamless operations, automatic tool calibration system, ensuring precise machining every time, automatic anti-splash system to enhance safety and cleanliness, automatic clamping system for secure and stable holding of profiles during machining, 3-axis CNC system for automatic positioning and high-speed, high-precision hole milling operations. Choose Jiahua machine, choose expertise and reliability.